Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 2.3 and question number 2.4 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's have a look on the question number 2.3. How many neutrons and protons are there in following nuclei? So here there are some different elements given and some numbers are also given. So first of all, understand the number which is on the top, like in C16 and 6, like this. This number is called, on the top, is called atomic mass and it is denoted by A. And the number which is below, it is denoted by Z. It is called as number of electron or proton. So we are going to use these two terms to solve this question. Now from Z we can get the number of electrons and number of protons. But what about neutrons? We will get the number of neutrons by doing A minus Z. Atomic mass minus atomic number, we will get the number of neutrons. How? Atomic mass is neutron plus proton and Z is proton. So when neutron plus proton together, from nucleus we will minus the proton, whatever we get, it is called neutron. So first part is C16 and 6. Now here A is equal to 16 and Z is equal to 6. Now we need to find the protons. Protons is equal to Z is equal to 6. And here now neutrons is equal to A minus Z is equal to 16 minus 6, that is 10 neutron. Very easy. Now we will went to oxygen 16 and 8. Now here A is equal to 16, that is atomic mass is 16 and atomic number is 8. Now number of proton is equal to Z is equal to 8 and number of neutron is equal to A minus Z, that is 16 minus 8, and our answer will be 8. So here in oxygen protons are 8 and neutrons are also 8. Now come up to the next, that is magnesium. Third is magnesium 24, 12. 24 is the mass, 12 is the atomic number. So A is equal to 24, Z is equal to 12. Now protons is equal to Z is equal to 12 and neutron is equal to A minus Z, that is 24 minus 12, it is now 12 neutrons. Next one is iron, Fe 56 and 26. Now here mass is 56 and atomic number is 26. So number of proton, as we knew, is equal to Z is equal to 26 and number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, that is 56 minus 26. So we will get here 30 neutrons. Next one is strontium, Sr, and mass is 88 and atomic number is 38. Now atomic mass 88, atomic number Z is equal to 38. Now protons is equal to Z is equal to 38 simply, and neutrons is equal to A minus Z is equal to now 88 minus 38. So we will get 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 3 5. So total 50 neutrons in strontium. So friends, this is question number 2.3, very easy to solve. Now come up to next question 2.4. Write the complete symbol of the atoms with the given atomic number Z and atomic mass A. So now here they gave the atomic number and atomic mass, and now we need to find the symbols and which element is this. So this is a kind of memory thing. We need to memorize these things. So first of all, number 1, what's the clue to find this type of solving this type of question is we need to memorize the atomic number of the elements, some basic elements. So here we should learn that 17 is the atomic number of chlorine. So Z is equal to 17 and A is equal to 35. So it becomes chlorine, the symbol is Cl. Now atomic mass will be written on the top, that is 35, and atomic number, it is 17 here. Now in the same way we will do the second one. Now Z is equal to 92 and A is equal to 233. So atomic number 92 belongs to uranium. So we will write the mass 233 on the top and the atomic number 92 below, like this. Third is atomic number 4 and mass is 9. So atomic number 4 belongs to beryllium and it is denoted by Be. So mass we will write here on the top 9 and atomic number below 4. Now this is question number 2.4 solved. It was very easy. We need to memorize few of the elements. That's it. So friends, that's all for today. Keep learning and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, thank you.